Can you extend the life of your plastic door trims and door seals and weather stripping by about 2 times with a higher quality silicone? My name's Eben. Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today we're talking about AMSOIL Silicone Spray. This right here acts as a lubricant for plastics, rubbers. It acts as a protectant, so you're gonna have less moisture go into your plastics and all these different parts on your car. It saturates in, keeps a nice glossy film, and what it does is it actually makes it slippery. So if you were to bump this rubber, things are gonna slide off a lot easier. It's not gonna bite as much. It's also gonna help protect from UV rays. I personally run this every single year on all my rubbers on my entire car, plastics, door trims, soft rubber seals. My name's Eben, your oil and lubricant specialist. You can order all the products at syntheticoilprotection.net. When you do that, I'll be your independent AMSOIL dealer, so I can answer your questions on all these high quality products. Definitely check out this video right here.